I'm sick and tired of being alone on my own. The only thing I crave is connection. Just gonna lay it out truthfully now, loud. Listen, baby, giving you copious hits of happiness. Take one step on the beat, taking chip in your ears. Believe me, I don't miss. Wish to satisfy your voice. Pay attention, get surprised. Yeah, the tea is over, bread and good. Not gonna trick me, fool me, or with me. No, just so to get me. Dreams can't keep up. So get your hands off right then. Be my cat, dear gents and ladies. I've heard every take, and I've had enough of mistakes. Why don't you slide on over my way? Step right up and stage and sing beside me. No use hiding, I'm forever gone. Wanna make a day into my thing. Hey, you're something wrong to act like I'm insane. This utopia of hardest times got only one would you say? This is bound to happen, baby, don't wanna get me wrong. When you're stopping up the cup and it's falling on the sky, why don't you see I'm in the right? Look at the same, please. I wanna know what's your what, no deepest desires that ever flow. You're thinking of paying me a dime, I'm making your mind together. You're I'm at wet, life in a free final leaf on dance up high, dance up slow and grabbing a life. You can hear bonds, never any harmony. Trust me, fun's guaranteed. That's all. Wanna give you all, follow me, fall to any kind of logic, it must go. Stay right there. They can get away from me, they just and trying, that's for sure. I got the mic, get crazy, call me for right there. So just trust in me, the beat I shout to your heart. Let the music blow you deeper. Step right up on stage and sing beside me. No use hiding, but forevermore. Wanna make a day into my thing. Hey, you're something wrong to act like I'm insane. This utopia of hardest times got only one would you say? This is bound to happen, baby, don't wanna get me wrong. When you're stopping at the cup and it's falling on the sky, why don't you see I'm in the right? Look the same, please. This generation's done, so I'ma have some fun. Don't you feel like something's gotta give? Nobody will just scream, so let me take the reins and let me live. What's my mission? They won't listen, but that law move aside so I can take control. No turning back. I know I gotta sing forever on a roll. Took the unbeatable fast pace, rocking your soul to my heartstrong, drumming your demon guitar, brass piano, like a baby can't even dare talk, but don't you shout it out. Rock and shatter the bad thoughts, yes, illusion does clear the fog in your brain. Give me your ears and your points, boy. It's all you will live in. Hear my true voice.
ねえねえみんなよく聞いて。私の真似してください。けど拍手は最後まで取っといてね。えいよ。Let me introduce myself, the one and only Dice Demon. Penny for your thoughts, kids and nuts don't really need them. Since I showed up, the universe been calling. Tell me, sunshine, you got a dream. Yup, Sideshow, cut a psycho. Be the Ichiban Tycoon psycho. When the night throws where the mind goes, it's a place of a twisted design. Those who oppose me obviously burn for eternity. Kidding, I'm totally fine. Hypocrites saying I'm crossing a line. Honestly promising you that I'm trying. Happy Saturday, Choto Mate, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Snap this wretched world in half and kill all of your friends' day. Doping kills the mental strain. Cross my heart, but hope is pain. Stick a nail in your brain. Already said it was insane and salty like Osenbei. Keep it Isho Kenmei. Rap te kiru kedo ikemen janai go men ne comprende. Second thoughts, pretty boy, then you got shit to spit or say. Shitsumon ga aru kami-sama dare. Mina-sama, follow me, hold your applause. Cast down from heaven, basically I'm God. Number one realist hater of all. 100% so guarantee. Everybody, kick out the famous names. They're on fire. No doubt you feel the same. I'm sick and tired. Fuck with the game, screw the cash and the fame. I just want you to wanna be like me. Naturally, let's go down the list of every lyricist I hate. All these whiny distant pricks been trying to kick the record straight. Pinning rhymes without a thought about the planet and state. Caught up wasting precious time undermining the competition. Wait, I need 2 syllables. Fuck it'll use fucking again. These lyrical gaps easily fillable, unkillable. Baka shade philosophy, a real smooth soccer looking fake ass MC slam shakalaka. Okay, see I ain't lying, I ain't trying to complain, but I'm dying to know way all these new wave cowards drop the same. Listen, I know that you ain't trying to be boring, but is this ASMR ASMR? Or what? I'm sorry for snoring. Dedicated, hypnotizing, do I fill you with disgust? Is it really so surprising that there's no one that I trust? Nope. Bitch and whine about the bitch and whiners, it's how I adjust. Cynical, hypocritical, full of hatred, aren't you jealous? Need a song to follow me, hold your applause. Cast down from heaven, basically I'm not number one realist hater of all. And check the so guarantee everybody kick out the famous names, they're on fire. No doubt you feel the same, we're sick and tired. Fuck with the game, screw the cash and the fame. I just want you to wanna be like me. Naturally, Minasama have I got you on the spot, full of myself, cause I'm all that I've got. Fakest and shadiest failure of all. Check my so guarantee everybody kick out the famous names, they're on fire. No doubt you feel the same, we're sick and tired. Fuck with the game, screw the cash and the fame. I just want you to wanna be like me. Naturally, hey. Break it down now. Everybody. I wanna be. What? Wanna be. I wanna be like me. Naturally, Minasama, follow me, hold your applause. Cast down from heaven, basically I'm God, number one realist hater of all. Check my so guarantee everybody kick out the famous names, they're on fire. No doubt you feel the same, we're sick and tired. Fuck with the game, screw the cash and the fame. I just want you to wanna be like me. I just want you to wanna be like me. But really you don't wanna be like me.
What is a man to a king and a king to a cat? What is a cat to a devil? Putting up a facade. I need an outlet now. I need to write this down. Hi, it's been a minute since we had a chat, but time is finna make it fast. Your success is a bitch. Why complain that your luck ain't the best? When you're rich and you're famous, I'm fucking depressed. Stuck in a mess, I pretend suppers in the trash. Got a couple ins and outs that don't involve crashes. So ask me, so how have you been? Did you want fiction, addiction, a public mental snapping? How did this happen? You're ready to rattle some bones, taking our dip to follow a script and never look back at the demons at home. Being ashamed inside the brain like bitch, too bad you ain't a keeper. Changing difficulty midway through the game to be a sleeper. Just pretend it's nothing and do this wanting, getting wanting. I never stop wanting, always wanting. I'll always keep wanting more. What is a man to a king and a king to a cat? What is a cat to a devil? Putting up a facade. I need an outlet now. I need to write this down. Dear diary, I'm still a fucking basket case. I say I'll keep on trucking, but the fact is cars don't run in space. I'm feeling angsty and thankless and like I fell from grace and zero gravity, having me thinking like I got no place I'm fading. The crowd is waiting, but my internal rating is what kind of shady it's lately. I'm just an alien sailing on my self-made-ian BS that I shell. I tell my fans they'll do well, shut from the mouth and I dwell. But does this ring any bells that I don't mention the hell and change the topic from the hot tip that they probably won't sell? I paint a pretty little image, it looks swell from a distance, blacking out the spell that gave this nobody in existence. Called just pretend it's nothing and into this wanting, getting wanting. I never stop wanting, always wanting. I'll always keep wanting more. What is a man to a king and a king to a cat? What is a cat to a devil? Putting up a facade. I need an outlet now. I need to write this down. Just pretend it's nothing and into this wanting, getting wanting. I never stop wanting, always wanting. I'll always keep wanting more. What does a demon believe in a king or a god? I tell them dice don't believe in, so what are the odds? I get my outlet now. I gotta write this down. Tonight the moon is rose in a crimson red, but roses gotta wither, so I'll live forever instead. And now I can't get rid of all of these thorns in my head. Bring on the hemorrhaging, I guess I'll live inside your memory. Another distorted story that ignored the deceased. I'll live inside of a castle, pray I'm never released. I'd rather kick it in the dungeon cause I'm that kind of beast. I'll bet my heart on the cards because I trust me the least. Precious man, I'm do that. Precious moments when bad about it. Restless ephemeral, scream and shout it. The best don't sleep, I was all about it. But weeping keeps tucked in shadows. This creeping feeling of identity that closing in on every side of me. Red tomorrow, red Then our plane's fast, this holds a dish, toss out the past and extract the rich. Nobody asked if the mask is not right fit, and his fiction's no disaster in spite of it. I say curious, what comes after it, so mysterious and yet hold on, stay beautiful, stay on. There are blades to be swung, red rising soon. Regard the moon reflected in the crimson song tonight. Red tomorrow, red today. Dread sorrow can't turn away. Can't turn back. Time, I'll always be a prisoner to my ambition. Last petals fly, I'll dance your tune, but hold your breath, guess who's owning the throne? So come alive now, once again, so I can chase you down. We are 5 minutes away from the end has come. Continue slashing, for die must, or else just fade away. There's a drive inside all of us, and never end, no rob us. See you way deep down inside us. Yeah, thinking the reaping is all it was and is now. Gotta find a way out, escape how fate has a funny way of shaking the weak down. Am I gonna peak now? Future looking bleak, well, somehow incomplete after all. Can't turn back. Time, I'll always be a prisoner to my ambition. Last petals fly, I'll dance your tune. Don't hold your breath for me. And when this road runs black, I'll ask you, was I everything you imagined? When my time's finally up, the sun's falling down, I'll turn stone again. So come alive now, once again, so I can chase you down. We are 5 seconds away from the end has come. From here on out, it's only just me and this bloodlust. I'd rather just fade away.
temper the blade with the twist of a knife. A circular lullaby. They were born of dust, shallow parasites, breakdown, destruction, ocean floors collide. If the blade is dull, there is consequence. If I stay, I know I'll be violent. Tell me the waves won't rise, and monsters will fade with time. To temper the blades with the twist of a knife. A circular lullaby.
Guess who it is? Ayo, Dre, I think they in trouble. Scott Storch, why you have to do it like this to him? Feels like a new day. Listen, now every time I come and I hit you niggas with shit, regardless, you get retarded and the niggas ain't got a clue on how the fuck I do what I do and say what I say and spit what I spit. You ain't never even got a question who. Cause you know that I'm the only nigga that could ever come and spitefully turn the place into a motherfucking zoo. Then I come and I spit go crazy shit and make niggas do exactly what I want them to. From my point of view, instead of trying to step up, you still trying to play catch up and keep up with the way a nigga grew. These niggas panic and fret and get schizophrenic and let their emotions out, and I doubt they could ever test my crew. Take a second, check it, I reckon my records are better than whatever record you recorded, that's why your shit is true. You fucking idiot, I don't think you get it, I'm one of the greatest ever, period, every syllable is true. Now if you ain't running, you ain't handicapping your vision, I think it's simple and I think that it's really plain to see. No matter how much you try, no matter how much you make an effort, you niggas can never ever really fuck with me. Cause I'll hurt you, and I will learn you a thing or two. And I'll hurt you, and I'll finish your career for you. I'll
sit on a mic and doodle my doodle you do not have a fighting chance to move. You were covered in my poo, smothered in my manure while I spit saliva fluid. Goop is secluded you. You don't have a clue as to what we're about to do you? So just sit back and watch something you just gon' happen. Ouch. So you just made me sneeze. I'm allergic to beats like these. Please excuse me, my allergies are acting up. Thanks all I've got. You're probably wondering why there's thunder and everyone is running and ducking up under everything up on the block. Cause bust and flip mode just tiptoed into the building with shady quietly burn at the start of riot with Doc. But since we all been spotted, we might as well have a party. So gather round, everybody, come on, let's get our drink on. And you ain't got to do nothing special for this occasion. Just reach in the closet, throw something on and get to the club.
Now if you ain't running, you ain't handicapping your vision. I think it's simple and I think that it's really plain to see. No matter how much you try, no matter how much you make an effort, you niggas can never ever really fuck with me. Cause I'll hurt you, and I will do you a thing or two. And I'll hurt you, and I'll finish your career for you. I'll catch you niggas and snatch you niggas, you bunch of bumbling fools. You got me rumbling dudes all the way down the block. Keep them stumbling and jumbling over their words and vowels. Don't win the time, we'll see you niggas is on the clock. And you running out of time, see I'm tired of all your mumbling, the nigga, I got it locked. Every single time you put my shit in the CD player and turn up the volume, you bang your head because the shit is knocked. I continue with crumbling niggas and tumbling niggas. You struggle while I humble a nigga with the Glock. Then I watch you while I keep a fumbling while I got you trembling for one of my niggas bust your head with a rock. Before I start to do another thing that to make you crown me the king with such a butter swing, nigga follow the flock. Now watch my brother bring all my diamonds to summer bling while I'm climbing and fuck a fling. Tell your bitch to get off my job. Now if you ain't running, you ain't handicapping your vision. I think it's simple and I think that it's really plain to see. No matter how much you try, no matter how much you make an effort, you niggas can never ever really fuck with me. Cause I'll hurt you, and I will do you a thing or two. And I'll hurt you, and I'll finish your career for you. Ow.
Yep.